safety boy. Paano mo may kalaban sa harapan mo? Hindi siya karatatid mo.
Um, Good morning, sir. My name is Christopher Doya, this IT3J. Um, ang aking presentation po is about Blade Template Engine Assessment, um,
Boom!
Template Inheritance. Blade lets you define a master layout. Child view extend with that extend. Example, one layout for header and footer. Real world company use one main layout for all pages. Section and yields. At section defines content blocks. At yield marks where content show in layout. Easy to swap page content without changing layout. Control structures. Blade has at if and at or which, at authentication, and etc. Cleaner and shorter than raw PHP tags. Uh, Improves readability and reduce errors. Syntax and security. Outputs data safely. HTML escape. Protects from XSS attacks. Use syntax only when you trust HTML. Component and slots. Make reusable UI blocks, cards, buttons, pass dynamic data via slots, reduce repetition, and keeps code organized. Wala po, sir. Thank you.